How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace and this is Turkey Leg TV. So I hope you enjoyed the video of me, you know, swinging off the rope and messing up, I guess. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about the throwing knife pin. Unfortunately, I'm not going to make it right now because it's just too darn hot. And because it's very hot and dry where I live. And all this grass is dead. So I want to start my forge and have the embers and ash cause a fire, and you know, I don't want to be charged for arson. So if I can't start the forge and make my throwing knife pin, I guess all I can do is just enjoy this cold beverage with this Australian Coaliba burl. And you know, I guess I'm making a bottle opener. So the first thing we want to do is get this piece of wood on the chuck. So let's do it. So this is where I'm at so far on the Australian Coaliba burl. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Alright, let's get back to it. Shoo. Okay, so now that it's all polished up and finished, we're going to drill a hole in the end so we can attach our top so we can make this bad boy a bottle opener. So let's do it.
there you have it.
So now that we're done, all we gotta do is enjoy our fresh beverage. But first, let's take a closer look at this bottle opener. Watching. I hope you enjoyed this Coliba Burl bottle opener, because I know I did. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Brandon Peace. This is Turkey Leg TV, and we're out of here. Cheers.